In this video, I will show you how to remove language keyboard layout from taskbar. So there are two methods for you to remove language keyboard layout, and first would require you to use settings. So open settings on your Windows device. In here, head over into the time and language section, and under this, go ahead and head over into the language section. So you'll find that here. And then in here, go ahead and click on that advanced keyboard settings. And under switching input methods, uncheck the use the desktop language bar when available. So make sure that you uncheck all of the things under switching input methods. And the second method would require you to remove extra keyboard layout. So you'll need to still go over the language settings, and in here go ahead and head over into the preferred languages section. So in here, click on the three dots next to the language that you want to remove. So just click on the language that you want to remove. So for example, we'll add another language. So for example, this language, we'll try to add this one. And then if you want to remove this one, you just need to click on that language from this list and then click on this remove button to remove that language. Since English is the default language of this device, we can't remove that from the device. So that's basically how you can remove language keyboard layout from taskbar. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.